Dude, that was perfect. This one flushed this way and a perfect shot. I turned around, I hit one. Fish down in Idaho. Yeah, and then it flew right down to the other 3 guys down there and they shot at him. Yeah, they're all like... Alright. Look at this terrain these birds live in. It's insane. Lava looking rocks. River down there. No way I can film myself. Dogs pushed the birds really good. They stayed right on them. Took us right to them. Super gorgeous. That was freaking epic, dude. Now it makes me want to stay another freaking day just because we know we just got to get way the up here, you know?